darlings, my name's Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. Hello darlings, so as it's coming up to Christmas, I'm going to make my eggnog. I put bourbon in mine, that Woodford Reserve double oaked, but you can put brandy or you can do rum. I'm going to use double cream, full fat milk, sugar, cinnamon sticks and ground cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla pods, and 3 eggs separated. So first of all, I'm going to put the milk, the cream, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the vanilla on a saucepan to heat up. I use 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of cream. I never measure anything, so I'm a bit of a... This is roughly 1 cup of milk, cream, milk. I've ground some nutmeg. I'm going to put some dried cinnamon. You can put cinnamon sticks in if you want to. I'm going to use those later though in the actual decoration of the drink. But I'll put a level teaspoon of cinnamon in and a vanilla pod. I'll break that into, stick that in as well. You scoop them out later. And just bring that to the boil. I'm going to whisk the egg yolks and 1 level tablespoon of sugar together. Until they're pale yellow and fluffy. Okay, I think I need to put more sugar in. It's 2 tablespoons. And then once you've done that, you add your milk and cream mixture to it. You also now add 2 tablespoons or a shot or 2 of alcohol.
Depending on how merry you want to get.
Exactly. To taste, as they say. Mix that in. And then pop that in the fridge for a couple of hours. So to finish off the eggnog, I'm going to whisk the 3 egg whites until they are soft peaks, and then I'm going to fold in the remaining cream and egg, etc. As you see now, they've stiff peaks, so now you can fold those into the mixture and just fold that in. You want to sort of keep the air and everything, you don't want to over whisk it, just gently, because you want it to have this kind of fluffy, creamy consistency. Thick but light, thick but airy consistency. There you go. And then spoon that into a nice crystal glass. Sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg on it. And pop in a cinnamon stick. And what's more Christmassy? An eggnog. Ooh, that's bloody good. Taste that. I'm pretty surprised. Taste that, Adam. Your mother's gonna love that. Isn't it?
Very nice.
Mind you, it's cream, milk, eggs, and bourbon. What's not to like about it? Cheers, everybody, and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May also likes the eggnog.